moving like a train in the distance, watching everything change in an instant. Magical, feeling indestructible. You don't even care what they're thinking. When you don't slow down, it won't sink in. On your own, out there in the great unknown. Rolling too fast, 200 on the dash. Tell me what you do, is it bad? Could have been worse, end up in a hearse. Talking to nobody, somebody's spilled, end up getting